So you might be in this really random situation where for some reason WhatsApp is giving you this sort of pop-up where it's telling you the date is incorrect and you have to go ahead and adjust it and fix it. Now it can look something like this, it can look nothing like this, but this is basically what it would look like. Now if you're getting this sort of pop-up where you need to adjust your date and time settings, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your time and your date on your device that you're using are properly accurate. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over into your settings application, and you want to make your way over into your date and your time settings panel. So you can kind of find wherever you want to go, but that's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing, right? Find your date and find your time settings. On iPhones, you can find it into general and then find date and time, which is right here, or you can search for it if you're not too sure where it is. Now, when you're here, you either want to go ahead and make sure that your time zone that you've chosen is actually in your time zone, or you can just change your WhatsApp or change your iPhone settings to set automatically. That is a really, really easy way to fix this problem. And if that ended up fixing it, you can open up WhatsApp again and you can see if it ended up fixing it. I think for a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be fixing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to actually go through and make your way over into your App Store. So open up your App Store just like this. You want to click on your search bar. And what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and search up WhatsApp. So go ahead, search up WhatsApp just like this. And what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure your WhatsApp application is updated. So click on update right there. I don't know what just happened, but click on update right there. And all you're going to want to do is update WhatsApp. For a vast majority of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do as well. And that very well might end up fixing the problem for you as well. If that doesn't end up working, you can also try restarting your phone, seeing if that ends up fixing it. You can also try deleting WhatsApp and reinstalling it. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.